Pseudo elements in CSS are great for adding cool touches to your website without having to write tons of extra code. The two we are going to be looking at are the before and after elements. Starting with the before element, which is generally used to place content on a page using CSS, but we will get more into that later in this video. Inside the before element, we can simply start by setting the content to exclamation mark, and when we save that, we immediately see an exclamation mark before our text. Now if we set the color to blue, that exclamation mark becomes blue. If we copy that code and change the before to after, we can see that another exclamation mark comes after the text. To take a better look at this, if we go into this view here and open up our container and h1 tag, we see the before pseudo element comes in the h1 tag, but before the text. Therefore, the code inside of our before is placed before, and same goes for the after pseudo element because it is in the h1 tag, but after the text. Now this is if we have content inside the quotations, but what if we don't and we want to create something? If we remove the exclamation marks from the before and after pseudo elements, we see that nothing appears. So what we can do is add a height of 50 pixels, a width of 50 pixels, a background color, and display it as inline block. Now on the left we see a blue square. So if we copy that code to the after element and change the background color, we again have something before and after the text. Not only can you place things before and after something, but you can also have something happen before or after something happens. This is just the basics of what you can do with the before and after pseudo elements, because you can do things like custom bullet list, custom block quotes, and even use it for making something happen after something, like a toggle switch. And make sure to subscribe and comment which one you want me to make.